welcome back to my channel. It's Shaylee. Currently we are in Austin, Texas. We got here about 2 days ago and Rory actually had to leave yesterday because she has practice today. So I'm here for a little bit while we do have to move out our Austin apartment. So we do have movers coming to move everything out for us. So I'm the one who's staying here till they get everything out. So today I am going to run a few errands and lay out by the pool. I wanted to show you guys my outfit of the day because I'm obsessed with my fit today. So it's actually all Urban Outfitters. This shirt says Redwood Nature Park, just a little graphic tee. And then I matched it with these Urban Outfitter cargo capris. They're so comfortable for the summer and I really like the color and how baggy they are. And then I'm just wearing some Havaianas. I have my Coach bag, my Amazon sunglasses. It is really hot out today. It's supposed to be UV of 11, but right now I am wanting to go to some vintage shops. So it's been a bit. Right now is 4 o'clock and I've been doing some work. I did some laundry. I boxed up some of my things. The movers are coming tomorrow, so they're gonna box up everything in this apartment, but I just wanted to get my things situated because I don't have as much here. Basically, I just packed a bunch of things that I don't want and need right now, and I did bring a carry-on, so I packed things that I want to bring back to DC with me. But right now, the rest of the night pretty much is just chilling. I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog tonight, but right now I'm gonna turn on a movie and do some work while I do that. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. Today is moving day, so we have professional movers coming to move out our apartment right now. I probably won't vlog any of that just because there will be people in our apartment working. Good morning, you guys. It is Sunday, 9 o'clock, and I did not film a lot in Austin. I was just too busy, had things going on, so I got back late last night. But I do have some packages back here in DC that I want to open and show you guys what I got. So the first package is from Off Season. I had messaged them and I was seeing if they had any Mystics gear. They did only have WNBA gear, and they did just send me a jersey, so I'm definitely gonna be wearing this to one of Rory's games. Rory and I are going on a really fun trip soon, and I've been getting things for that trip. So I got this adorable clutch purse in maroon. This is from Amazon, you guys. The texture is amazing. I thought it'd be so cute with like some of my outfits. It's so spacious inside as well. I'm so excited to use this. I'm gonna put my ShopMy link down below if you guys want to shop my clothes as well, and this will also be on there. And then the last things are from Shein. First, I got these really sheer long pants. I thought would be cute for like a swim cover up or just an outfit. Also, I did just get these hair, skin, and nail gummies. They are by Weem. You take 2 a day. I'm trying to grow my hair out. If you guys watch my videos, you guys know. So I'm really excited to see how this helps. I also just got a new belt. This is a black and silver thin belt off of Amazon, and it's a lookalike for the Aritzia belt, but the Aritzia belt is like $80 and I was not about to spend that much on a belt, so I got this one for I think $15 to $20. And then I did just get this cute set off of TikTok Shop. So this is a oversized big t-shirt. It has a little bit longer sleeves, and then it has matching shorts to go with it as well. Here are the pants, very cute and flowy. I definitely need to iron them. And then here is that maroon clutch purse. I don't have anything in it yet, but love it. Today is game day and we play Seattle Storm at 3. So Rory is gonna make her famous try right now. Cheers.
I like it.
That is so good. That's delicious.
10 out of 10.
Not to hype her up, but it's pretty good.
We'll do that method as well. Eventually down the line.
So Rory's filming her camera setup right there. She's doing a get ready with me and she's showing me her outfit. I don't know what it is, but she's gonna put it on and show me. It would look better if you iron it.
Yeah, I'll probably iron it, but this is the top. It has a little bit of like fold streaks on it. I'm deciding if I want to wear a hat or not.
I think you should.
I think I should, but I just don't know which hat. So which hat?
Do you have a red?
A red hat? Okay,
I feel like a red one would look best, but you don't have red.
Yeah, I don't have a red hat.
Okay, show my vlog. Let's see. The whole fit. Fitted. Okay, so first I'm going to do my hair. Today I'm wanting to crimp my hair. I'm wanting a wavy look. So I'm gonna use the Bedhead Wave Crimper. And then I'll be going in with the Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray. So I first part my hair into 4 sections, starting with the top and the bottom. Okay, that looks a little crazy, but bear with me. And then for the bottom, I section that into 2, half and half. Before I crimp my hair, I will go in and spray this 4-in-1 prep spray. And then I'm gonna go in with this top half and section it into 2. And once I finish, that's when I will run my hands through my hair. Before I do my makeup, I'm gonna go in with this Wow Bombshell Volumizer. Just scrunch it up like that, and that will keep my hair volumized throughout the day. Just put my ring light on it just so it can look a little bit better while I'm doing my makeup. I first start off with this base face milk by Olivia. If you guys watch my videos, you know that I love this stuff and it makes my makeup look so glowy. I am doing a very natural makeup look today, so I'm just going in with my tinted serum and Drunk Elephant drops. I'm putting on a little bit of Makeup by Mario powder bronzer just on my forehead. I don't want to put too much. And then some Makeup by Mario blush, some Benefit highlighter, dark brown Makeup by Mario eyeshadow. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Using Forta setting spray. For lips, I'm using the Sephora lip tint in Espresso Line, and then the Patrick Ta for lips in the shade Cookie Butter, and then the Benefit lip tint. Okay, there is the hair and the makeup. I will show you guys my outfit in the mirror. Here is the fit. I'm wearing a Skims jumpsuit with Urban Outfitter cargos and then Haviana flip-flops. I just did my TikTok get ready with me, and now I'm gonna head to the game and I will see you guys after. Hey you guys, we are back from the game and we got the dub. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn on notifications to see when I upload, and I will see you guys next time.